Well, the seagulls are getting their baths before all this happens. Looks like they're just enjoying themselves being by the ocean. Yep. Because as soon as those fish start running, everybody will be eating.
Our understanding, the reds come first.
The reds and then the pinks.
And the reds are called the sockeye.
Sockeye.
They're the first ones to arrive here.
Yeah.
In the next couple days, we think.
Yeah.
They're already showing up in other places, further south. So
The Russian River.
They haven't got there yet.
What's there now at the Russian River?
I don't think anything's there yet.
What were those guys fishing for then?
That wasn't the Russian River.
What was that?
I don't know what that was. I think that was the Russian
We
River.
seen a lot of
It
men.
might have been fishing. I don't know if they were catching anything there yet.
Yeah, I wish I had got a photo of that. There was a ton of them there. Just lined up. Yes, of course it's raining again, y'all. It's just constant.
It's not pouring down rain. It's just
Well,
sprinkling.
right. Just enough to get you wet.
It's
To
about
be
50
aggravating.
52 degrees out here right now.
Yeah.
And sweet salmon in between. All the folks over there. Look at them all out there like that. Pretty cool. This is very cool.
Awesome. Sweet. That's a big one. There you go, put it in the bucket. Oh, he's putting that one on a stringer.
Right. Yeah. Wrong way. Done that with sewing too.
That's good.
The bird won't get it? Huh? Oh, he's putting them all on the stringer.
What?
Every bit of that.
No, we have not.
We're just learning. We're on vacation.
Yeah, we were watching. We think it's really neat.
Flapping now. She knocked his brains out. That's a pretty big one too. Wow. So telling him how to do it. Baby, don't lose it. You have to be a resident for 12 consecutive months to get the $15 a year Dipnet fishing license. And the family that we spoke to, it was the woman, her husband, and 2 girls, and they could get 15 fish apiece. If you're a non-resident, it costs you $100, and that permit is only for rod fishing. Most of the time, people wear the chest waders over the hip boots. They find it more comfortable to do it that way. You can have a copy of your fishing license in your phone, but they prefer that you carry the paper itself on you. I will put the rest of the information in the description below. He's a big one too, y'all. My first eagle in Alaska.
Well, we seen them the other day, but they're too far
Yeah,
away.
I couldn't really see them.
Pretty healthy up here.
I'm sorry he's on top of a telephone pole for y'all, but that's the way it is.
Right now it's low tide. And when tide comes in, the fish start running. To your left here is a channel that people will be near. Maybe not here, but over there. Maybe here too.
Standing out there in our waders.
Yeah, the fish will be going up through that canal over there. And I don't know exactly how you get out there, but it's gonna be, they'll be out there when the sun starts coming, when the tide starts coming in, because the fish will be coming in to go up in this inlet and spawn.
We wish the sun would come out, y'all.
Well, this is the way it is. It's the weather systems right now. Right now they're calling for a wetter June, and July and August will be drier because of the El Nino effect. We're waiting to see that part of it.
Yeah. So the ocean is way out yonder. Way out there.
Yeah. We're right now we're Cook Inlet. Actually, around us is mountains, but
we can't see them
because of the cloudy conditions.
Yeah. It's crazy.
But it's okay. Hey, it's a beautiful place.
It is.
It is beautiful. It's got its own nature.
Well, and look how dark the sand is.
Wow.
Yeah, supposedly there's volcanoes over here somewhere.
Across the inlet there on the other side.
Yeah. Well, it is what it is. And I mean, I see those rocks out there. I guess that's somebody's house right there.
Private property over there.
And that's where everybody is camped. Okay, this is where we're camped. Look, there's the ocean. It's paved. And they have dumpsters. The Walmart's not that far away. I'm sure there's a laundromat here. This is nice. Very nice. Yep. There we are, parked right back there. It's a paved parking lot. You see us there. There's plenty of parking on the other side of us. They've got dumpsters and porta-johns. Thank goodness you have your own toilet. And you got parking over here also. It's sweet.